Good morning, students. Before this, we have discussed that how, with the use of the HYB seeds, the farmers of the Palampur are getting more yields on the same piece of the land. But we have also seen this that in case of the HYB seeds, there was the requirement of the more amount of water for the purpose of the irrigation. There was the requirement of the chemical fertilizers as well as the pesticides, and as a result of all these, the cost of the input which was used by the farmer for the purpose of the agriculture, that was increased. Now we will see some bad consequences of the modern farming, or in other words we can say some bad consequences which are led by the use of the HYB seeds. That is, will the land sustain? Land being a natural resource, it is necessary to be very careful in its use. As we are knowing, land is a natural resource, so it is very necessary for us to use it in a careful way. Scientific reports indicate that the modern farming methods have overused the natural resource base, and with the help of the scientific reports, we can say that by the modern farming, we have overused the natural resource land. In many areas, grain revolution is associated with the loss of soil fertility due to increased use of chemical fertilizers. So, in many areas, because of the grain revolution, the fertility of the soil has decreased. Why fertility of the soil has decreased? Because of the use of the maximum chemical fertilizer. Also, continuous use of groundwater water for tube well irrigation has reduced the water table below the ground. First, the fertility of the soil has been reduced. Second thing, by the continuous use of the groundwater for the purpose of the irrigation, the water table of the groundwater has become very low. Environmental resources like soil fertility and groundwater are built up over many years, and this soil fertility as well as the groundwater, these both environmental resources took a long time to be built up again. That's why it is a serious problem for us. Once destroyed, it is very difficult to restore them. So, once if the fertility of the soil as well as the groundwater will be destroyed, it will be very difficult to restore them. We must take care of the environment to ensure future development of agriculture. That's why we have to take care of the environment for the future development of the agriculture. Now, chemical fertilizers provide minerals which dissolve in water and are immediately available to plants. Maximum time you have seen that the farmers of your nearby village or of your nearby area use chemical fertilizers on the large amount. Why? Because they give a reason behind it that chemical fertilizers provide nutrients or the nutrition to the plants very soon. Why it is given here? That in the chemical fertilizers, minerals are there, and that minerals are dissolved in the water. So, once we put the chemical fertilizer, at the same time the nutrients are available to the plant, but these may not be retained in the soil for long time. Yet, by the chemical fertilizers, land get minerals very soon, but that minerals which are got by the land through the chemical fertilizers that didn't remain for the long duration of time in the soil. That's why it is not too much good for us. They may escape from the soil and pollute groundwater, rivers, and a lake. These minerals, which are dissolved, they escape from the soil and they pollute the groundwater, rivers, as well as the lake. Chemical fertilizers can also kill bacteria and other microorganisms in the soil. Besides this, these chemical fertilizers can also kill the bacteria as well as the other microorganisms which are present in the soil and that are very useful for the agriculture or for the farmers. This means sometime after their use, the soil will be less fertile than ever before. That's why it is said that once the chemical fertilizer will be used, after the using of it continuous time, the fertility of the soil will be less than the before time or than the earlier time. Means you can understand this, that by the use of the chemical fertilizers, quick nutrients are provided to the plant, but on the other hand, it is decreasing the fertility of the soil day by day. That's why use of the chemical fertilizer is not good for the soil. The consumption of chemical fertilizer in Punjab is highest in the country. In the Punjab state, the consumption of the chemical fertilizer is highest within the whole country. The continuous use of chemical fertilizer has led to degradation of soil health, and with the continuous use of the chemical fertilizer, soil has been degraded, means its fertility has been reduced a lot, decreased a lot. Punjab farmers are now forced to use more and more chemical fertilizer and other inputs to achieve the same production level. And as once the fertility of the soil will be decreased a lot, now to get the same production from the same piece of the land, farmers have to use more amount of the chemical fertilizer, and as a result of it, this means the cost of cultivation is rising very fast. And when on the same piece of the land there will be requirement to use the more and more chemical fertilizers, obviously the cost of the production or the cost of the cultivation will be increased a lot.